Okay, so this is an important part to release the neck and front leg restrictions and pains. So you got the pecs here, and you want to find about 4 or 5 fingers down from the top in the center line. Press in with your middle finger and feel for a tight band going across, and there's just an edge of the band there, so I'm pressing in quite deep there, and that band, I've got to loosen that band. So we'll just do gentle rocking movements just to loosen the band there. So that'll release tension not only in the chest and the front legs, but all the way up the neck as well. Okay, so that was a position, about 4 or 5 fingers down on the center line, and go right in until you feel the band deep inside, and then release that. Okay, we're looking at a different technique now with the tips of the fingers. So if you've got a muscle like the triceps muscle here, if there's tension in it, the way to release the tension is to get your fingers around the muscle. There'll be 2 separate muscles inside it. Get your fingers around them and do a switch out. So it's like you're bumping the muscle, and so you okay? There's a little bit of tension, there's a little bit of pain in there, so we're getting a reaction. So if you're getting a reaction like that where they're lifting the leg up, it means you're going a little bit too firm, so going a little bit softer. In fact, I'm going to warm the area up a little bit. So on the triceps, if you use the palm of your hand and just go down the muscles, just warm the area up a little bit, and then we'll get the fingers in the 4 fingers and then do an outward switch, and that will release the tension on those muscles. So just keep going for 30 seconds or so until it all goes softer and the tension leaves the muscle then. So you see I'm getting the 4 fingers in there and going around the muscles, and I'm switching, bumping out. And we're going to do it up the whole length there. Okay, so work your way, it doesn't matter if you work your way up or down, until it goes nice and soft like that, and then the tension's just gone. Good.
If you found this video useful and want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.